In this video, I will discuss how you can change your user interface to dark theme. Personally, I don't like light theme because all my computer settings, they display dark themes. So watching something dark and something like it doesn't feel good. So I am going to switch to dark theme in Cartoon Animator. So how you can do it, let's have a look. You're going to go to Edit, then you're going to go to Preferences. Here, you're going to go to Interface. There are two themes in here. One is light and here is dark. And this option here is for 4K display settings. For example, when you have 4K display, your icons get really small. So for that purpose, if you have 4K display or very large LED or monitor, you can turn this on. Otherwise, you don't need it if you're using Cartoon Animator on your laptop. So I have turned my dark theme on. After selecting this, I'm gonna click OK. So it says you gotta restart the program. So I'm gonna press OK. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna reopen my Cartoon Animator. See, now my theme has been converted to dark theme. So I like it. So in this way, you can change your theme from light to dark.